Okay, first things first. Here's a simple everyday situation that requires a simple everyday decision. It's morning, and you all had a big thirsty glass of water before you went to bed. Thank you. And now, as you can imagine, you all really need to spray hello to Mr. Peapod. So, what do you do? Don't look at him. Decide for yourselves. What do you do?
Decide to do whatever it tells us to do, buddy. There we go.
No, you go. You go to the bathroom. But not out here. In there.